Now it's time to do the edges, which I should do first, but I always end up doing them last because I can't wait to get into playing. I tape some of the tiles, the edging tiles, in a little row with sticky tape because it's much easier for me then to stick it on. If your hands are agile and you're really good at straight lines, then you don't need to do that at all. You just stick your tiles on. So what I do, is just run a line of glue in my Wrigley worms, the length of the bit of tape that I'm using, on right against the foam, because this glue sticks to foam, sticks to everything. I love this glue. Sally's Marine Flex. So once I've got a nice bit of glue there, you don't want to put too much on because you don't want it to squeeze up between the grout lines. And then you just pop it on. Pop it on, and because it's a non-slumping glue, bonus is that it's not going to fall off. And see, it's all stuck on. So then I just make sure it's almost level with the top of the mosaic. I bring the top layer across this way a bit so that I can then line this one up. So if you can see those edges like that. Too hard. I've tried a few times to mitre the tiles, as it's just too hard. You can do it on bigger tiles and a grinder. And then I do the other side. So go around and do all of the corners, the hot 4 corners this way first, and then fill in between here. And then when you make an adjustment, depending on the size of your tiles, it'll be somewhere here, nowhere too obvious, and all your corners will be just lovely. Okay, so I'll go away and do all of that, and then you'll see how cute the frame looks